Namaskar, and you are watching Campus One with Anusha Ray, your trusted source for latest updates. We turn our focus to the heart of Central University of Orissa, where preparations are in full swing for the greatest milestone so far. We have Shashank Tiwari, on-field reporter.
Founded in 2009, the Central University of Odisha embarked on its mission with a vision to foster educational excellence and community development. From humble beginnings with the initial stages of construction and the laying of the foundation, the university has evolved into a beacon of learning and innovation. Let's hear from our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Chakradhar Tripathi, who will provide an overview of the university's progress and future direction.
यहाँ के लोगों की आर्थिक स्थिति को सुधारना, सांस्कृतिक स्थिति में प्रगति लाना और सामाजिक स्थिति को और सुदृढ़ बनाना इस विश्वविद्यालय का लक्ष्य है.
Hear from Dr. Ramendra Kumar Parhi, our Head of Student Welfare.
After the joining of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Chakradhar Tripathi sir, University has contributed significantly towards the inclusive growth and development of higher education in India, and particularly this KBK region.
As we mark this special day, let us celebrate our journey and look forward to a future of continued success and achievement. Happy 16th Foundation Day, Central University of Odisha.
Central University of Orissa observed International Day of World's Indigenous People, which honors the indigenous community's rich cultural legacy while championing their rights and self-determination. Let's connect with Sneha, our field reporter, to gain real-time insights of the event.
Kundali, the nerve of tribal life. Today we are celebrating to honor their ritual cultures and promoting their rights and to recognize them for their contribution to all around.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ସାରା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ସାରା ଭାରତରେ ଗୋ ଚାଲାଣ ଉପରେ ନିଷେଧାଜ୍ଞା ହେଲା ବେଳେ ଏଠି ସାରଙ୍କ ଆଦେଶରେ ଚାଲିଥାଏ ଗୋ ଖୁଲ୍ଲମ ଖୁଲ୍ଲା ଦିନ ବେଳା ଚୋରି ଡକାଇକି ମର୍ଡର ହେଇଥାଏ ଆଉ ଗଣଧର୍ଷଣ ଇତ୍ୟାଦି ଯେତିକି କ୍ରାଇମ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ.
जो आदिवासी समाज है उसको छोड़ करके यह देश आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है. आदिवासी समाज का सम्मान शुरू से ही हम अगर इतिहास देखें, रामायण देखें, पुराण देखें, उपनिषद देखें, उसमें आदिवासी समाज को ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट मुख्य स्रोत में चलने वाले समाज ने दिया है. तो इसलिए आज भी आदिवासी समाज को हमें इस देश को साथ लेकर चलना ही है, नहीं तो इस देश का विकास नहीं होगा.
We have seen our program is successful today and we hope our youth will learn a lot from this. With camera person Hindul Bhattacharya, Ms. Neha Bag, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Central University of Odisha, Korapur.
The Central University of Orissa recently hosted a grand celebration marking the 78th year of independence from the shackles of British Raj. From the Red Fort's ramparts, Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently promised a vision of Vikshit Bharat that has developed India by the year of 2047. We now turn to Aparajita, our on-field reporter on the grounds of Central University of Orissa.
यद्यपि भाषा के आधार पर इस देश में पहला प्रांत बना, लेकिन प्रगति के पथ पर वो पिछड़ा प्रांत बना हुआ है.
This is the bright shining morning of 15th August 2024, the 78th Independence Day anniversary of India.
Competition. Many congratulations to Namita. Then third position holder Ipsita Panda from.
Hello, your name is
Srujana.
Are you celebrating Independence Day first time?
Yes, this is my first time I'm celebrating Independence Day in this Central University of Odisha.
What are your feelings today?
Oh, this is very amazing actually. I just came 2 days before and it's feeling like a home. And the way this Independence Day is celebrating here, that's amazing. I haven't seen like this.
The patriotism stay high in our heart. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Now, over to the studio. I am Aparajita Bhattacharya with camera person Hindol Bhattacharya in Campus Web, signing out.
In the heart of Odisha's natural beauty, nestled within the lush greenery of the mountains, lies Central University of Odisha. Let's connect with Alisha, our on-field reporter, on the ground of Central University of Odisha.
Today we are standing in the campus of Central University of Odisha. This campus is located in Koraput district, the Switzerland of Odisha.
We provide round-the-clock security facility with security guards. The hostel also has all the basic amenities and facilities for its boarder, like we provide the mess facilities, dining facilities, water cooler, TV room facilities, and we provide the recreational facilities like indoor games.
So we have Sahil here. Hello Sahil, you are studying in Central University of Odisha and you are staying in boys hostel. So how has been the hostel is treating you?
The environment is really good because I find the seniors really amusing and they're really helpful. I'm really comfortable there, to be honest.
We spoke to our chief warden also.
2019, we have moved to the permanent building here in the campus, and presently 2 hostels are operating. One is boys hostel and one is girls hostel.
So dear audience, I hope you got the beautiful idea about this campus. With cameraman Hindol Bhattacharya, I am Alisha Raj, Central University of Odisha, Campus Wire.
This is Anusha Ray signing off. Stay tuned for more updates with Campus Wire. Asmakam Vedika Tafswara.